Hey, you look familiar.
Oh, wait. Anna? Is that you?
Yes. Mark, right? Wow, I can't believe this.
It's been so many years. We were classmates in high school.
That's right. You sat at the back, always drawing in your notebook.
True. And you sat in front, always answering the teacher's questions.
I remember one day you answered a question too.
Yes, and my answer was completely wrong.
The teacher just looked at you and said, Mark, please sit down.
Oh, that was so embarrassing.
But you always made us laugh. Do you remember when the math teacher dropped his chalk?
And I shouted, "Free gift!"
Yes. The whole class laughed. Even the teacher laughed a little.
Until he told us to clean the blackboard after class.
We didn't mind. It was fun.
True. We had many funny moments.
Like the school sports day. You fell during the race but still waved at everyone like a champion.
Yes. I finished last, but the crowd cheered for me.
We laughed so much that day.
I can't believe we are meeting again here in the park.
It feels like yesterday. But look, we are all grown up now.
Yes, life goes so fast.
So, what have you been doing all these years?
I'll tell you, but maybe we need some coffee for that story.
Good idea. Let's walk to the cafe. Part 2, the cafe conversation. This cafe is nice. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every week. It's quiet, and I like the coffee.
Wow, Mark. I can't help but notice. You look successful.
Really? Why do you say that?
Your clothes, your watch, even the car you parked outside. You are rich now, aren't you?
Well, I am doing well. But Anna, you remember me in school, I was not the smartest student.
Yes, you were always funny, but not always serious with books.
True. I was afraid I would never make it in life. But then I found something I loved, marketing.
Marketing? What kind?
Selling. At first, I was afraid to talk to people. I was shy.
Really? You? You were always loud in class.
Loud, yes, but not confident. Talking to friends is easy. Selling to strangers is hard.
So how did you overcome that fear?
I started small. First, I sold simple things, pens, notebooks. I practiced speaking. I made mistakes, but I learned.
And then?
Then I learned how to listen to people, how to understand what they want. That is the secret, not just talking, but listening.
That's interesting.
Soon, I became better. I sold bigger things. I joined a company. I worked hard. And step by step, I grew.
Wow. So from a shy boy in school, you became a successful marketer.
Exactly. Now I even teach others how to sell.
That's amazing, Mark. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, Anna. If I can do it, anyone can.
Mark, can you teach me marketing too?
Of course, Anna. But remember, it is not easy.
I don't mind. I learn fast. You know, I was always good with books.
Yes, with books. But this is different. Marketing is about people.
People?
Yes. You must talk to people, listen to them, and sometimes hear no.
That sounds hard.
Don't worry. Let's start small. Try to sell me this pen.
This pen is blue. And you can write with it.
Not bad. But you must show me why I need it. Make me feel it is special.
This is harder than math.
Yes, but you can do it. Keep trying.
Hello, would you like to buy this notebook? It will help you keep your ideas safe.
No. Thank you. I don't think I need it.
Another no. Mark, maybe I am not good at this.
Anna, don't give up. Remember me? I was shy too. You are learning. Every no brings you closer to a yes.
Okay. I will keep going. Mark. Guess what?
What happened?
I made my first big sale. 1,000 US.
I knew you could do it. See? You didn't give up. That's the secret, Anna. Success is not only about books. It's about courage, patience, and never giving up.
Thank you, Mark. You believed in me when I almost quit.